Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your Xiaomi Pocophone F2 Pro, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search, and right now we have to get the application named CLONEit. We are going to use this application to transfer data. Click on the install, and of course we have to do the same on the second smartphone. Right now I can open this application on my Huawei smartphone. When it's finished, click on the open. Click on the allow once and then tap on the allow a few times. Click on the yes, I agree. Right now click sender on your Huawei and receiver on the Pocophone. Click allow, click on the search again. And right now you have to click on this Android share icon. And we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the QR code. So tap on it, then click on the allow. Grab your phone, put the frame into the QR code. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to click on the icons and then hit the start button. But if you want to send details like maybe 2 songs, 3 songs, or 1 picture or something like that, go right here, select what you want to send. So use this switchers to unselect and then just click on the thing that you want to send. In my case, I'm going to send 2 songs, and it's finished. And this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.